Hello everyone, this is Techviewer and myself Akib, and today I'm going to show you my own custom made design and which I made by color spray. In this video I'm going to show you how to redesign by spray color. So guys, let's start it. Guys, first of all, two things. First, you need a cover, any cover, and secondly, you need a color spray. My cover is red and I choose black spray for nice combination. And guys, let's see how I design my own color spray. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to design my cover, and my cover design is very simple. As you can see, there is only two lines on the back cover. The white cross step will be remain the red color and all the red color will be black. So guys, in this way you can design your back cover. So my design is finished. Now I'm going to spray on my cover. So first of all, you need to shake the spray bottle. That should be 30 seconds or 20 seconds. And now I'm going to spray on the cover, and make sure the all cover should be color, and all color should be in the cover. After the spraying the color, it take 5 minutes for permanent color. So after the 5 minutes, we will see what happened in the front side. So after the 5 minutes, now I'm going to spray on front side of the color. So make sure all color should be covered by the color spray. After the spraying all around, and wait again for 5 minutes, and let's see guys how does it work. Guys, after 10 minutes, you can see I remove that custom line, and which I covered by cross step, and as you can see, that is working very well and it looks like awesome. I just love this cover by doing this dye color, my own design myself. And guys, if you think this cover is good, please let me know how look it is. And if you think these videos help you, please like, share, subscribe this channel, and guys, see you the next video. Peace.